Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to talk about a jewelry polish using lime essential oil. Keeping your jewelry bright and shiny doesn't have to be a hassle anymore. This easy jewelry polish made with essential oils can be made at home and can help bring the shine and sparkle back to your favorite accessories. The ingredients are 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of sea salt, 10 drops of doTERRA lime oil, and warm water. The directions are combining the salt, baking soda, and essential oil in a small bowl. Next, add jewelry to the bowl. After that, you can add warm water until your jewelry is covered, and then you want to let that sit for 5 to 10 minutes, and then using a toothbrush or a cotton pad, scrub your jewelry until shine forms, and then lastly, rinse with warm water and let dry. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, share this video with somebody that would benefit from it, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I will see you in the next video.